anecdotally, we're seeing decreased downtime on machines because operators are being guided by Murray to be able to troubleshoot without having to wait for the more seasoned worker to stop and do what they're doing and come and help. So we're early on, we're seeing really quick wins. Hi, I'm Susan Murray Carlock. I'm with Mursix Corporation in East Central Indiana and Murray Mentor in Carmel, Indiana. Mursix is a metal stamping and plastic injection molding company with also value-added and a plating division within our company as well. I joined the family manufacturing company 14 years ago, and for those 14 years I have been watching the knack, I call it, the skilled retirees walk out our front door with 20, 30, 40 years of that knack, that tribal knowledge. And there was just a call to action for me over the last few years as some of our most seasoned were retiring, that I had to do something. I had to be a part of the solution and not a part of not the solution, right? So in peer groups, the talks amongst my peers became therapy sessions, and nobody was providing a solution within voc ed, academia, even your regional and statewide initiatives just weren't solving the real problem that we're seeing, which is that retiring workforce and the skills gap. Being a part of the family business is about taking care of our people. I did that in my past life as an ER nurse and a home health nurse, and so it's important to me to understand what would matter to our company the most and what would allow us to remain competitive and frankly remain alive. And that was really harvesting and leveraging the talent that we have within our four walls. Yeah, so that's exactly how Murray Mentor came about. 14 years of myself watching the tribal knowledge walk out the front door with all of the knack and all of the skill that we'd never get back. There was this, I had to be done. I had to, got fortunate to run into the right people, talk about the problem, and a team of AI people came up with, we all helped come up with a solution. With technology, our success stories range from improved downtime because their siloed workers are now collaborating to feed information into Murray. Anecdotally, it's too new to metric and measure, but anecdotally we're seeing decreased downtime on machines because operators are being guided by Murray to be able to troubleshoot without having to wait for the more seasoned worker to stop and do what they're doing and come and help. So we're early on, we're seeing really quick wins. Always listen to your customer. However, guide your customer. They want to infiltrate Murray throughout their plant as soon as possible. Murray has to scale a little bit slower in your plant. We've got to make sure we're doing it in the right area, getting the quick wins, and then we can scale it throughout as the product is ready to be grown throughout your facility. So it's really somewhat tempering the customers because they get really excited, and we at Mursix have been guilty of that. But 3 or 4 projects ongoing at a time seem to be very reasonable for companies. I am a big extrovert and I love to get out. So here at SME, this is my first time at SME, and I can't believe I haven't been coming more in the past. I'm new to SME over the last year. It excites me because this is how you get wins for your company. This is how you remain competitive, and this is how we're going to get through the existential crisis we're in manufacturing, especially with our workforce. It's getting out, networking, finding best practices, and understanding how to start your own journey.